Hello mccArts keyboard players. It's a nice day out here, so I wanted to come out and just make a quick video showing you how to assemble a MainStage concert file for a set. A concert file is basically a file inside of MainStage that contains multiple patches, with each patch being associated with a specific song. So basically how the concert file is laid out is, as it's got maybe 4 or 5 patches in there, one for each song, and they're laid out in the order of the service. I'm gonna show you how to make that. It's actually super simple, but I figured I would show you how just to make sure you know how to do it. So the first step would be actually getting the patches needed for this concert file. And how you can do that is just head on into Planning Center, and then at the top click on Songs. From there, search up MainStage. And from here you can see that we have a song named MainStage Song Specific Patch Files. Click on this, and that'll open this window here. Now there's a couple sections here on the left. The one you really want to use is called Default Arrangement. This has all the new and updated patch files for each song, but we also have kept all of the old ones around just in case we should need them for some reason, just as a backup. But really where you want to be is the Default Arrangement. And if you scroll down here, you can see a list of songs. This list is nowhere near complete. I'm currently working on filling it out, so it will probably look different when you take a look at it. It's constantly being updated. But for the time being, this is what you should see. So let's say I want to assemble a concert file for a Sunday morning service for July 26th. If I open that plan and maybe a new tab, I can see what songs we need along with the keys. So first I see we need No One as the walk-in song, and it's in the key of D. So I'll just hop on over to my other window here, and No One right here in D. So I will download that file. Next we need How Great Thou Art in G. How Great Thou Art in G. Download that. Then we need Raise a Hallelujah in D flat. Raise a Hallelujah, looks like this is it, in D flat. We need Tremble in the key of B. Tremble. And Stand in Your Love in the key of C, right there. Perfect. Now that we have all of the patches downloaded, we just need to compile them into the concert file itself. Now, the best way to do that is actually to start with a previous concert file that has already been made and use that as a template to kind of follow as you're assembling this one. So if you need to grab a concert file that has previously been made, you can just grab one from a previous plan. So here's one right here that I will just download. All right, now we're ready to rock and roll. Minimize this. And if I come down to my downloads folder here, you can see everything that we just downloaded. So the first thing you want to start with is the old concert file that we downloaded. So just double click that and it will expand, and double click one more time and that'll open it inside of MainStage. So now we're going to drag in our songs for this set. If I go back to the plan, we can see that the first song that we need is No One in the key of D. So all I need to do is double click that. It'll expand it out. And then from there, all you need to do is drag that straight from the Finder window right into the patch list in MainStage and let go, and it'll bring it right in. And then we can do that for the rest of the worship set. So I'll just expand these out. There we go. And then I'll bring them all in. Raise a Hallelujah, Stand in Your Love, and Tremble. And there's all of the songs dropped in there. Now, if the order isn't quite right, that's totally fine. You can simply drag and drop to reorder songs inside of the patch list. So I'll just reorder that accordingly, and that should be it. Now, if you toggle through, you can actually see each of the songs, and each of the patches loaded in actually has the chords listed right here. And that is really all there is to it. Once you've got everything in there and everything looks to be good, all you have to do is File, Save As, name it the date that you're looking for it to be. So I have July 26th, 2020. And this one was for Bedford. So I'll type BFD and it will save to my downloads folder, and then just click Save. And you're all done. And right there is your finished MainStage concert. From there, you might be maybe emailing it to someone, uploading it to Dropbox, or maybe even attaching it to Planning Center, depending on what you're needing to do with it. But either way, that's how you get the concert file itself, and that's all done, ready to go. And this concert file is able to be opened on any MacBook with MainStage 3. That's the only requirement. But I think that is just about everything. I hope this helped in some way, kind of showing you just how to construct that file and maybe giving you a little bit more of an insight into how MainStage works. If you're having any issues at all, feel free to reach out to me. I am totally happy to help, and happy creating, and we hope to be worshiping alongside you very soon. We'll see you around.